Check, check, check.
Hi, I'm Tired. This is Tired Junior. No. What's up, guys? Nikita Ducarroz here with
Payton Ridenour.
We're out here at the Riveter. We just finished up the Dirtvana Mongoose Jam, which went down yesterday. So we're just wrapping it up today, and yeah, we had a lot of fun.
All right, here behind me we have the covered section. Then this way,
Over here, whole outdoor section, like some mountain bike jumps, slalom trail, little rollers for little kids. There's definitely a bit of everything here. It's cool. Highlight, I mean, apart from like just watching everyone ride and getting to see all the kids doing what they're doing, there's this little girl who's like 3 years old. And she like whispered to her mom like that she wanted to ride with me. She was like really cute, and so we went down to the rollers and she towed me into a couple lines, showed me around. But yeah, it's cool to see the future, getting stoked on bikes.
yeah, my highlight was honestly riding with the whole Mongoose crew and then all the new people that we met here. That was super cool to just have us all come together, ride some bikes, have fun.
I hope next year, I think we can hopefully get another turnout like this. It was a great turnout. I think it would be cool to try and get a lot more girls here. And yeah, this is just the beginning. This was the first one we've done, so we can only go up and grow from here.
Well, that's kind of what I was hoping for next year too, but yeah, just kind of getting more girls out here, and yeah, that's all I got. Thanks to everyone who came out to the Dirtvana Jam this year.
Super fun. Hope to see everyone out next year and get even more people out here to ride.
Here's some sick clips of us shredding it up.
Check them out. Oh God!
How's your lift? How'd you do it?
I ate pizza.
Let's go, Dad! Come on, Dad!
Dude, I must have like a slow leak or something. My back tire was just so flat.
It's freaking Seth Kimbrough, dude. Look at him. No way. No way, Seth Kimbrough.
Go on the roller. You're gonna regret that.
Casual?
Yeah.
Just handsome. Just keep. Can I just just hold it for another 2 or 3 minutes? Let me.
Anybody? We're already.
You got snakes.
I think I was gonna snake, so I let him go.
Oh.
Dirtvana, seriously awesome. From Pina. So if I said it, it's pretty awesome, right?